Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today said it has identified 51 lakh people who will be the first ones to get COVID-19 vaccination in the city under the central government's priority category. Addressing a digital press conference, the Chief Minister said currently Delhi has built and arranged storage capacity for 74 lakh doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. He said the storage capacity in the city will be increased further to 1.15 crore doses in a week's time. Kejriwal further said that each of the 51 lakh identified persons is being registered and an SMS will be sent to the person's mobile number notifying him or her about the date, time and place of vaccination. Delhi police has taken Congress leaders Priyanka Gandhi and others into custody as the Rahul Gandhi-led Congress delegation was marching to the Rashtrapati Bhavan this morning to submit a memorandum of 2 crore signatures against the centre's farm reform laws. Media reports said Congress march to Rashtrapati Bhavan was stopped by police. Rahul Gandhi proceeded to the Rashtrapati Bhavan to meet President Ramnath Kovind with the signatures against farm laws. States which have reported COVID-19 positive passengers from UK who have returned to India over the past few days will now be sending some of the samples for further testing to track the new coronavirus strain. The samples will be sent to select laboratories in the country for genome sequencing. According to media reports, the Health Ministry has asked states to coordinate with the respective airport health offices, APHOs, and surveillance officials to ensure strict adherence of the various standard operating procedures (SOPs) designed in the wake of the new coronavirus strain. In the last 24 hours, Manipur registered 98 new cases of COVID-19, pushing the tally to 27,827. The positive cases were from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bisnupur, Kakching, Chandel, Tamenglong, Kangpokpi, and Churachandpur districts. The death toll in the state has reached 338. The recovery rate in the state has further improved to 93.54% as per the Manipur government COVID-19 Command Control Room. A team of Imphal East Commando conducted combing operation at Imphal's Mahabali Kabuikun and Hauke Veng this morning. District Additional Superintendent of Police Operations and DSP Commando led the operation. Nearly 70 houses were searched and 200 residents were verified in the operation, police said. A team of Imphal West Commando conducted a house-to-house search operation and verification of residents at Sangaipro area this morning. Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Imphal West led the operation. About 80 houses were searched and 120 individuals, including 5 persons who are on bail, were verified during the operation. Jay Khongsai, Vice President of the BJP ST Morcha Vice President, who is intending to contest the upcoming ADC polls, today provided Christmas gifts to media persons of Moray at a function at his residence. Jay Khongsai lauded the journalists for their work. The State Bank of India SBI None branch today presented Christmas gifts to 15 students of Child Guidance Center CGC located at Longmai 4 Pislan under the support of Hyderabad headquarters. SBI branch manager Nongmai Kapam Ronal along with his subordinate staff and village authority leaders distributed the items. Thoubal Deputy Commissioner N. Bandana today flagged off a cycle rally from Thoubal Mela Ground to spread awareness on drug and alcohol. District Administration Thoubal and District Level Nasa Mukt Bharat Campaign Committee Thoubal organized a rally on the theme Prevention of Substance and Alcohol Abuse. Sanasam Premchand Maite, intending to contest the forthcoming Manipur Assembly elections on BJP ticket from Kumbi constituency today, donated a mic set to the residents of Borayangbi Ward Number 3 under Kumbi constituency. Assam futsal soccer team left Assam this morning to attend the 13th National Championship Tournament in Jaipur, Rajasthan. The tournament will begin on 28th of December. as concerns and apprehensions are on the rise following the emergence of new coronavirus variant in the United Kingdom. The Meghalaya government has prohibited the entry of tourists from Britain into the state. This order has been issued by the Home Political Department of the Meghalaya government. The order has come into immediate effect and will be in place until further orders. The Chinese commanders are said to have proposed that the Indian and Chinese troops move back to either side of the 8 spurs that overlook the north bank of the Pangong Tso Lake. The area is named Finger 1 to 8, and the Chinese have proposed that the area be covered into a no-activity buffer zone. India has, however, rejected this proposed because half of the 8 spurs were under India's control before the Chinese troops violated the agreements of 30 years to maintain peace and tranquility, a media report said.